Start by removing the shingles from the roof cap. Once the shingles have been removed, identify the rafter you will be attaching your roof anchor to. Line up your anchor across the rafter and install with 16D nails in the designated holes. It is important to note that your nails should never fall in a single file line. Staggering helps to secure a hold in the event of a fall and keeps the rafter from splitting due to force. Once all of the nails have been put in place, you can replace the ridged shingles and connect your lifelines to the anchor. Now, we will be walking through how to put on and properly fit your fall arrest harness on your body. Prior to use of the fall arrest system, make sure to look over the harness and lifeline to check for fraying, tears, and other damage. Start by unhooking the chest strap and putting the harness on like a backpack. Then adjust the harness so it lays evenly across your shoulders. When clipping the chest strap together, make sure that it fits squarely in the middle of your chest. This feature eliminates choking hazards in the event of a fall. Next are the leg straps. When clipping these, please note that they are meant to be adjusted in the air to take pressure off of your legs after a fall. To ensure that the adjustment can take place quickly, follow the 2-finger rule for slack around the leg. If you can comfortably fit the width of 2 fingers beneath the leg strap, your harness has been properly adjusted. If there is a gap between your hand and the strap when pulling it away from your body, adjust the strap accordingly. Make any final adjustments needed for your harness to fit comfortably. It should feel snug, but not restrict your movement. At this point, you are ready to tie off to the roof or other anchor point with your connector. All fall arrest devices are required by OSHA to have locking mechanisms on the lanyard and the anchor point. If there is any damage to those anchors, do not use that connector. Once you have tied off properly, you are ready to work.